up in the tree. Okay.
Yeah. Drop it in. Okay. If you're not comfortable with throwing the worm, what I will recommend to you, strategy is you just grip the cup like this, put out your hand, and so.
Yeah, did you see
Okay,
this
you can
thing
stand in
here?
between here, you can stand next to the bridge, no worries, there'll be birds over, okay? But you must stand still.
Did he go
Okay.
in here?
If you try it, it's okay. Try this one, okay? The most nearer,
No, let him see it.
this one.
Here, you do it.
Now, and then after that,
Wow. I'm trying to pick
You go over, okay? You don't have to stand here, you can go over next to the speaker and then stand there.
Yeah, don't come together lah. They will not.
Let's relax.
you get it? I didn't see.
ಅದು ಪರ್ದು ಪೋಯ್ತು.
Give it a while, maybe she'll come back out. Out here. Okay, so. Okay, let me help you out, okay? Stop. Relax, relax. Okay, I need you to let go of the cup first. Hold it like this. Okay, twist the cup. Good. So now, you can stand here, but I will highly recommend you stand next to the speaker onward because that's where my support starlings are. This one, I'm a fish.
你告訴我，I think the starling 比較喜歡小的人，小的人。Oh, ಅದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲ ಪರಂದು ಪೋಯ್ತು.
ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಚಿತಾವ
ಅದು ಎಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೋಯ್ತು ಬರ್ನ
ಒಂದು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ನಡುವೆ ಬರುವುದು ನೀವು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗಾ?
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಂದಾಕ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ஆமாம், நீ இந்த ஹேண்டில் உள்பற உன் கை போட்டுக்கணும் தெரியுமா? போடு, ஃபுல்லாக போடு, பிடிச்சிக்கோ, அப்படி செக்யூராக பிடிச்சிக்கணும் கேமராவை. இன்னும் வாங்கிக்கணும் வாக்க பிரிங் யுவர் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான். இது நக்கல் இன்னும் முன்னால் போகணும். அப்படி பிடிச்சிக்கணும்.
Are you doing alright? Or you're not getting any birds? Not getting any birds. Okay. The balloon going down anyway. Alright. Following. Okay.
ಬಂತಾ ಅದು?
ಬಂತು.
Are you going that way or are you
Okay.
going this way? Anyway, okay, just give me a while. I will be walking down.
Now it's so.
Okay. So after that, let's see that.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೊರತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.